This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Pam Fountain. If you are looking for amazing mountain views, this is it. This split bedroom floor plan has it all. Great room with cathedral ceiling and corner fireplace. Double patio doors to sunroom and 2 decks. Kitchen with custom cabinets, custom tile, solid surface countertops, breakfast bar. Master bedroom with patio doors to deck and mountain views. 2 walk-in closets. Master bathroom, jetted tub, dual vanities. Large custom tiled walk-in shower. 2 spacious guest bedrooms and guest bathroom complement this home. 30 sunroom with amazing views, the perfect relaxing, entertaining area. Doors to both decks. Enjoy the rock bluffs, seasonal lake views and mountain views. Walkout crawlspace provides storage, workshop area. All Rubbermaid cabinets and refrigerator in garage remain. Washer and dryer remains. Workbench, dehumidifier and metal shelving in the crawlspace, workshop area remain. Propane tank is owned. This home must be viewed to be appreciated. For more information,